much longer is this going to take? I'm starting to think that the waffle cones won't be finished in time for the light sprinkle shower.
Patience, Glow. I've already told you, baking requires a soft touch and lots of patience.
But Twinkles, you and I are the fastest cubs on this island. How are we supposed to be so patient?
Well, you could start by learning from your mistakes. Now we have to look for any shells.
Ugh, this is taking too long. Yeah. 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 Sorry.
Get out!
Thanks for letting me back in, Twinkles. Sorry. I do need to practice patience, but I don't know how when I'm so excited for the light sprinkle.
It's okay, I understand. Learning to be more patient can take time to master. It can help to do tasks that will help slow things down for you or take your mind off of whatever you're so anxious to do. Like my reading, for example.
But I'm too excited to read.
Then let's try taking a big relaxing breath, Glow. You can't rush the oven. We have to let the waffles finish getting nice and toasty.
You know, this is kind of nice.
Right? Just keep taking breaths. Try not to focus on the light sprinkle and just focus on right now.
I think it's working.
Great job, little Glow. Oh, they're ready.
I got the cones, sis. I learned nothing. Oh! I'm sorry, Twinkles. I really need to work on my patience.
No problem, little Glow. You're lucky that I always work on mine. Now, let's see about your paws and get these waffles rolled into cones. Little Glow, Twinkles, you made it!
Of course we did, Glimmer. We had to make sure you all could enjoy the light sprinkle shower.
Thanks, little Glow. We have the ice cream and we have the ice cream cones. Now all we need is the light sprinkles. I wish the light sprinkle shower would hurry up and start.
Trust me, Glimmer. It's always good to be patient.